Today we are unboxing the EVGA Supernova 650G+. It's quite a mouthful. I cannot remember the name. So this was one of the mini power supplies that was on sale this past Black Friday. Something like 50 bucks. I think maybe it goes for like 96 now. So, I mean, it's a really good power supply. It was a really good deal and jumped on it. So I'm super excited to unbox it. Just kidding. Well, I'm excited. That's not a lie. But I don't want you to believe this is the first time I've actually done it. It happened. It happened already. So that's okay. Come along for the ride. This is like the second time. It'll be fun. So what we have here, make sure we can get all this in the screen. We'll go for Paperboy. And if you don't know the reference to Paperboy, you should probably look it up. It was a good game. Played it a lot. Handy dandy instruction manual. G+ series. I think that stands for Gold Plus. But it's just gold, so I don't know where the plus comes from. Maybe it's almost platinum. Whatever. So, when you first open this bad boy up, you'll see the cords, the power supply. I mean, it's pretty basic, pretty straightforward, but we'll just go go over everything what's in here. So, standard power supply, a cable. Is this like an extension adapter? Okay, so maybe this isn't standard. I don't know. Oh, this is to test it without the power on button. They give you like a pre-jumper? Is that really a thing? Because you can, like, to turn on a power supply without having it hooked up to the motherboard and everything, you can short out 2 different pins, and this must be like the safe way to do it. That's cool. Didn't know that was a thing these days. Before we just used paper clips and hoped for the best. Yikers. So, look, so you got a little cable management tie thing. Hey, that's handy. Got your, you got all the basic cables in here. That's probably super loud. The mic's like right above me. I'm trying to get some better audio going here. Again, more cables. Let's get past those. Let's get to the fun part, which is the actual power supply unit. I'll just double check. Yeah, you got all your standard cords here. And that's all that's in the box. Here we have some foam. Very nice. Look at that. Yeah, we might just cut this part out. This is getting pretty basic. But if you're interested in what's in here, then you're probably watching this video. Congratulations on your consideration of this product. All right. We've got super modular out the Wahizi. So this is considered fully modular, which means every cable comes off and can be replaced, actually, which is pretty cool. If you're into cable modifications from someone like Cable Mod, then you can just plug away to your heart's content. The other cheaper versions have the main motherboard plug. Which one is that? They have that like hooked into here, so you can't remove it. So there may be a price savings there for you, but if you're at all into making sure that your PC looks nice and clean, then you're probably going to want to get a fully modular PSU. So, oh, look at this. We got a little peely. I don't want to rob you guys of the satisfaction. Let's get in here. Ooh, doggy. That was nice. So, there you have it, really. 650 watts. It's going to be definitely more than I need for my build. But, if you have a need to add more graphics cards later, upgrade to 17 processors, whatever your case may be, this is going to do a good job for you. So there's other ones in the line as well. You got 750, 850, and 1000 watts. So these are pretty good. What do you expect out of a PSU these days? Wait. There was something that you might be interested in. It says it on the box. They use like only Japanese. Well, maybe it doesn't say it on the box. Maybe it says it on this thing. I don't know. They use only like Japanese capacitors. If that means something to you, please comment below and let me know why that's great. It sounds great. No idea why it is great. Anyways, that's it. Enjoy. Maybe purchase this product from an affiliate link below. Subscribe. look at some of our other videos. There should be a full build for this computer coming soon. So that should be pretty exciting. Peace out. Girl Scout.